Hi YouTube and welcome to another build showcase video. In this one we're making a letter style long leather wallet. We will be using these templates and natural vegetable tan leather which has not been oiled and dyed. If you want to make a wallet like this yourself, there will be a full step-by-step video with PDF banner available on the 22nd of July. If you like the video, please consider subscribing as it will help this channel grow. First things first, of course, it's time to cut out a big chunk of leather and mark your template. Then I apply some oil to the leather. Right after that, it is time to dye the front. I've done that 2 times and finish everything off with some tang coat. It is now of course time to cut everything out and prepare for work. Then we need to thin out some of the pieces. I will be only thinning out the card pockets and nothing else. Then of course it is time to bevel. And finish the back side with the edges. Right after that, we apply some Tokonole, bevel all the edges. Now it is time to try and assemble the wallet. Firstly, we attach the top collar part. Then I apply some more Tokonole to finish it off. Right after that, I add the buttons. After that is done, it is time to work on the rest of the edges and then move on to gluing in our card pockets. So roughen up the edges and begin gluing them in with, of course, stitching them up right after that. After all that is done, move on to the middle part. We'll be attaching these flaps to the middle pocket part, so firstly we glue it in. Then we jump back to our card pocket slots and make them double. Then we attach our flaps, or as I like to call them, ears. Then we get back to our middle part and stitch everything up. That is done, we get back to our ear part, make holes and stitch them up as well. Now that everything is pretty much assembled, it's finally time to mark our last holes and then assemble the wallet itself. Here I'm making the rest of the hole mark and move to assembling the rest. Firstly, I glue in our card slot pocket. Then trim off the excess. This is how the wallet will look from front and back. Then attach our middle part, and this is how it looks now. Right after that, we work on those glued up edges to make them nice, smooth and even. After that is done, I dye it green and finish everything off with Tokanol. Now that that is done, it is time to finish the wallet itself. And there you have it, a leather style long leather wallet. The build is pretty easy and does not require a lot of skill, but time and patience, as always, is always essential. If you enjoyed this video and would like to see more, give this video a thumbs up, subscribe, and let me know in the comments what you think. Thank you very much for watching, and I will see you on another one.